Glam with all things glam. Welcome to Build a Bitch Workshop. This is video number 10.
We are pretty girls. We are pretty girls. We are pretty girls. I'm so pretty. We are pretty girls. We are pretty girls. We are pretty girls. You know I'm pretty.
So today we're going to be talking about tummy tucks, mini tucks, and the difference between the two. And I'm also going to share with you all what a peniculectomy is. An abdominoplasty, or tummy tuck for short, is a cosmetic procedure which makes the ab thinner and firmer. It's removal of skin from the lower and middle abdomen, skin and fat from the lower and the middle abdomen area, and also tightening of the muscles. A mini tuck flattens the lower abdomen, eliminates the pooch from the lower abdomen belly area. The lower abdomen may be soldered together, and then the skin may be trimmed. Now, what I do know about these two from personal experience is depending on how much fat or how much loose skin you have, you may need a full tummy tuck or a mini tuck. I've had two full tummy tucks. So you want to be sure that you're getting somebody who literally can specialize in this procedure. It is a big deal. I know it doesn't seem like it, but it really is. So the very first plastic surgery that I ever had was a tummy tuck, and when I tell y'all, this was completely botched. Like, it was so bad. This guy moved my belly button. I didn't even know you could move a belly button at the time, but moved my belly button like higher underneath my breast, and he gave me this terrible jagged line, and I had what you call elephant ears or elephant flaps. That's when the sides of your stomach kind of hang over, and like the top of it is, or the front of it is actually sewed in tight, but you can still see those little flaps hang out on the side. So if you have those are called elephant ears or elephant flaps. Anyhow, it was just a really bad procedure altogether. I did not do a lot of research on it. I just wanted it done. The first time I had it done, it was like $8,000, and I was like, okay, I'm just gonna get this done. That's all I need. Well, I needed much more, but I did get it done the right way, and I actually did this on national TV. In fact, if you can tell me which show, which season, and which episode I did it on, I'll give you $1,000. So you can either drop that, or you can send me an email and shoot me over your Cash App, and I'll give you that $1,000. The first person to guess that. And please don't be family members or friends of family members, because you already know. So let's do that. Oh, and since it's video number 10, if I can get to 50K followers, I'll shoot an extra, what, couple $1,000s? Yeah, extra couple $1,000s. Just want to get to 50K right now. But anyhow, back to these surgeries. So yeah, I had it done the right way, and it actually turned out really good. This time I was satisfied with it. He actually fixed my belly button, put it in the right place. He fixed my elephant ears, and I do not have a jagged line. But the one thing that I thought could happen was, I thought that you could actually cut off stretch marks. So when I first got this done, I was like, okay, what I need here is I need for the doctor to cut the stretch marks off. And in my mind, he could totally cut the stretch marks off. Well, it ain't that damn simple. So I had the stretch marks still with all of these problems or complications, which ended up giving me a hernia, and then I had to have hernia surgery for that, and then I had to have like a correction surgery. So that's but yeah, so I did that. And I also want to inform you all about a procedure that's peniculectomy, a peniculectomy. So this particular procedure, let me just get y'all the facts, because I have not had this procedure, so I am going to be referring to my notes on this one. What I do know about it is it's more expensive than a tummy tuck, okay? So let's just throw that on out there. It's more expensive than a tummy tuck. I think it may run you like $8,000 to $10,000. I don't know if the tummy tuck is still $8,000, or what you even need, you know, to do that, because of course the last time I did it, I was paid to do it, so versus paying for it. But this particular, oh, it's $8,000 to $15,000. But so this is a procedure where they actually cut off the excess skin and they tighten the muscles. Now, because this is not considered an elective surgery, guys, this is actually something that's for medical purposes. This one is covered by insurance. I'm sure you all didn't know that. So you can actually have a pennilectomy. But I don't know. And your insurance will pay for it because it can cause health issues. And of course, we want you all to be healthy and we want you all to be safe, little porcelain dollies. But it's an option, and I've seen a lot of people doing it. I actually have done my research and seen different videos with people doing it, and they have pretty good outcomes of this particular procedure. So that is definitely an option, especially I think maybe if you've had like some kind of gastric surgery or bariatric surgery where you just have loose skin. I don't think you really need the tightening part of it. I guess it wouldn't be called a pennilectomy if it was just to cut off skin, right? Yeah, it won't be called that. But it's definitely an option, you guys, for you all that don't quite need the tummy tuck or don't quite need a mini tuck. I would suggest if you can get a mini tummy tuck or wear a full tummy tuck any day, because the line is a little shorter, so it's more like a little bikini line versus this line that wraps all the way around you like an elastic band. You know, which is something that you probably want to try to avoid. Do the mini tuck. I know that that's done with a lot of the lower abdomen area now. In my case, I needed a full. I needed the whole stomach done. Okay, so again, porcelain dollies, know all of your options. And I actually hope this was informative. I do want you all still to do your research and do a lot of following up on these procedures that you want to do, because this is a disclaimer. Yes, a disclaimer. I am not a board licensed certified plastic surgeon, okay? I cannot direct you to one. I mean, I guess I can because I know quite a few of them. Depending on what state you're in, I probably can tell you where you should go, but I would really suggest you do your own research because everybody's body is different. My body heals different than the next person. I know just around about how much bruising or scarring I'm going to get and have to take care of that in certain circumstances. I'm not a nurse. I cannot nurse you back to health, okay? I'm not even a CNA. All right, I cannot take your blood pressure. I can't do any of that. I don't know how, okay? So I'm not a massage therapist. I can't do your after surgery massages. So the only thing that I can tell you all is what I've learned from experience. I can tell you all the facts via the web, the facts via what doctors have, you know, have conveyed to me and that kind of thing. But I'm not a professional, okay? You know, if there's anything that I've left out, because I really think that I've brought you guys up to date now. So now, you know, we're kind of caught up with different things that you can do. But if there's anything that you want to know about and you don't know about, believe me, I'm pretty sure I can tell you. Or lead you in the right direction where you need to learn. Just comment below. You can also hit me in my email box, guys. That's a popular thing. A lot of people been hitting me in my email box. I'm not getting these comments, but I'm definitely getting these damn emails, okay? So you can do that. I want you to share, and please subscribe. Again, at 50K, I'll give away a couple grand. And the further we go, I'll give away a little more money. And eventually, I will be looking for a surgery buddy because that's a fun thing to do. That'll probably be in the near future. But tell me what video it was, okay? Or what show it was that I did the tummy tuck on. Tell me what episode it was, and tell me what season it was, okay? And $1,000 will be going into your Cash App. Again, thank you guys so very much for watching and fucking with me. I really appreciate this. You all have a blessed day.